Welcome back ladies and gentlemen to our channel. The Volvo XC90 is a mid-size luxury SUV that seamlessly blends sophisticated design, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort. As Volvo's flagship model, it offers a compelling choice for those seeking a premium driving experience. Design and interior. The XC90's exterior showcases a modern and elegant aesthetic, featuring a distinctive front grille and signature LED headlamps. Inside, the cabin is spacious and meticulously crafted, accommodating up to 7 passengers across 3 rows. High-quality materials, including genuine wood and fabric accents, contribute to a luxurious atmosphere. A prominent 11-inch touchscreen serves as the hub for the vehicle's infotainment system, which is powered by a user-friendly Google-based operating system. Performance and powertrains. The XC90 offers multiple powertrain options to suit diverse preferences. B5 mild hybrid, equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine delivering 247 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. B6 mild hybrid, this variant enhances performance with a turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 295 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. T8 plug-in hybrid, combining a turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor, the T8 offers robust performance and improved fuel efficiency. All models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, ensuring a balanced blend of power and control. Safety and technology. Volvo's commitment to safety is evident in the XC90, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Standard and available technologies include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. The integration of Google services enhances navigation and connectivity, providing a seamless user experience. Availability and pricing. In Pakistan, the Volvo XC90 is available in the used car market, with prices typically around PKR 50,908,800. These prices can vary based on model year, mileage, and overall condition. For the most current information on specifications and availability, it's advisable to contact local Volvo dealerships or visit the official Volvo website. For a visual overview of the XC90's features and design, you might find the following video informative. Thank you for watching my video and subscribe to our channel.